Hey guys, so we are on our way to UC Davis. Actually, that's where I went to college. But they have the best vets in America, and they have MRI. So that's why we're taking her there after looking at different places. And actually, the doctor suggested the place, and we were gonna actually wait a few more days. But she's lost so much weight. You can take a look at Bowie here, and she's doing fine. She's just lost a lot of weight. She can't walk. Otherwise she's healthy. Her organs are healthy, but the doctor thinks that what's wrong with her is her nerves. So she might have some kind of tumor in her spinal cord or brain. So they're gonna do the MRI, and if she does have tumor, she can have surgery there to remove it. And I've been reading some testimonials on Yelp, and it seems like many people have gotten their dog saved at UC Davis, the small animal vet hospital. It's like a medical school / hospital for dogs. So supposedly one of the best in the country. So if you absolutely gotta save your dog, you can. If you're in California, definitely take your dog there or your animal. So we're going there right now. It's traffic. It's Friday, so it's rush hour. Usually only takes maybe an hour and 20 minutes, but today it's going to take maybe 2 hours. It's not too bad. So we're going through Fairfield. This is actually where we got Bowie. There was like a cuteyorkie.com or something like that, and I contacted them, and they actually ship Yorkies bred in the Midwest. And then this is where they sold dogs, and then that's how we got Bowie when she was like, I think 6 weeks old, and she was like a dark black dog back then, because Yorkie puppies are like that. But after she goes into adult, she became like sort of like blonde / gray dog. But yeah, maybe it's meant to be that we just passed by her hometown here in near Fairfield here. So not Fairfield, this is like Vallejo, a little bit between Fairfield and Vallejo. So yeah, we're getting there. Hopefully we get the MRI, and she might have to be hospitalized because she lost so much weight, and I don't think she's gonna last more than 2 weeks if we just kept her at home. So the doctor went to emergency vet. They were able to recommend us here. And the good thing is it's Labor Day weekend, and a lot of places are closed, and that's another reason why we are going all the way to Davis. But they have 24-hour emergency for pets, so that's where we're going. We're stuck in traffic, but I'll see you guys when we get there. Bye.